Happy birthday, Kevin. I don't have a lot of money this year for a present, so I thought I would do the next best thing, and I clipped some coupons for you. So first I have $1 off for Baker's Square for a pie. I know it's not a cake, but a pie, you know, next best thing. You know, $1 off a pie, that's pretty good. And then some Centrum cardio, because you got to take care of your heart. You're 40 years old now, you got to start taking care of yourself. And this one's kind of cool. It's a win a $5,000 spa getaway. And you can save $1 on flax. And flax, I think, is good for your prostate or something. I don't know. Ooh, $5. That's a big ticket item right there. Save $5. Slim Shots Liquid Appetite Controller. Because I know the older you get, the harder it is to lose weight. And I totally looked for something for like hair restoration, but I couldn't find anything. So I know when you get older, you get hair in weird places. So I'm going to include this. It's hair removal. So I don't know, maybe you need that for your back or something. I don't know. Maybe your wife could do it for you. It looks pretty easy. Remove hair instantly and pain-free. And it's save $1. And then last but not least, this is for men and women. And it has discreet home delivery. And it's only $9.95. So, yeah. I won't say what it is because I don't want to embarrass you. But, I'll include that in with the rest of my coupons for you. So happy birthday! Hope you have a good one. Bye!